Hey everybody, this is Cameron Foose. I just wanted to review the two trades that I posted on the blog the other day, which were ZAGG and NLST. So ZAGG had that earnings report came out, and they raised guidance, and they're a product that or a company that makes products for Apple. So there's a lot of speculation around this company. And so what this did was gapped up and formed this very bullish ascending triangle formation here with lots of volume into the close. We didn't get that pop above the breakout resistance at 740, so I bought at 735 in anticipation that this might pop into the morning, get some more buyers in after hours in pre-market to see how this would pan out. And so my stop would be on a move below this ascending trend line. Actually, let's move to ZAGG here. This is current day. Let's just take a look at this breakout again forming here. This might actually run intraday. So this is pretty much the same pattern almost. So I'm probably not going to take this long, but we'll watch this as it pans out, and I'll explain why I bought the first day. So we had this first ascending line right here at 740. So if this popped at 740, then I was thinking that we could see a run to $8 per share, where I'd like to take my profits. We started out the morning. We had some kind of a morning panic with some sellers coming in, but we quickly found a lot of buyers right near my stop level, which was this ascending trend line, and I continued to hold, and it came actually back up right after that and broke out. So that made a big move from almost 7 almost up to $8 per share. Once it peaked out here, I saw some sellers come in, so I took my profits at what was 771. So on 2,000 shares, I made 886 bucks, overnight. So that wasn't too bad of a trade. And then it's actually in the middle of forming another intraday ascending triangle here that just broke out to the upside right now. So this could see another 20-cent move to the upside. I'd say maybe $8 per share into the close. I was actually busy making this video. I might have actually made this trade when this was happening. So we'll get back to see, or I guess you'll see later in the day if this breakout ended to work. But anyways, let's move on to the other trade, which was NLST, which I sold for a loss. And it's still, the chart's still in place, so it still could break out. But what we were looking at here was this ascending triangle pattern with this neckline resistance formed at around 353. So I bought in here. My average fill price ended up being around 355 as I bought some more shares on the way up. Yesterday it closed finally above this neckline resistance. So what I was hoping for, that we'd see a rush of buyers come in as people were running their scans overnight, and they would see the stock that it was breaking out above resistance, and I was hoping to see a quick spike to 4, hopefully within the first hour of the market open. Yet that didn't happen. We actually saw some sellers coming in. So if we look at the intraday chart here, I had my stop level. I suggested to the Black Service crew stop on a move below 350, and it still hasn't broke down that, but I actually did sell when this trend line is broken. NLST, they got some good news out right now about this patent, but it's a pretty sketch stock. It has a lot of volatility. I didn't really want to leave too much room for loss. The most important rule is cutting your loss, obviously. So I sold on the breakdown of this ascending trend line. My stop that I suggested was 350. That actually never broke. So the chart's still in play. If this can break 370 into the close, I definitely think that you could see a possible move to 4 and maybe even higher. So I may re-enter. I might not. But as for now, I took a very small loss of about 150 bucks on this. So overall in the two trades, made about $700. Anyways, this is the first video I've made in a while, so if you guys like it, let me know, and maybe I'll start doing more videos. Thanks.